Plumbers, electricians, carpenters, everyone would use this tool. I can think of a reason for every trade to have one of these, and everyone should have one.
I'm Derek Winship and I'm a carpenter.
I'm Dan Smith. I've been a carpenter for about 12 years now. This is the multi-tool, this is the corded version. I mean, it's a great bit of kit if you want to get into a tight space, something that you just couldn't do with hand tools usually. It really helps you out.
To be honest with you, I absolutely love this tool. It's my favourite tool at the moment. It's so versatile. By using this, I can literally carry one tool around with me instead of carrying two toolboxes full of bits and pieces. It does it all.
It almost replaces a lot of other tools. Once you get it out your toolbox at the beginning of the day, you're going to use it a lot more than you expect. You get it out for one job, you end up using it for 5, 6, 7 jobs.
You see people using stuff on site all the time and you think, ah, I like that, I want one of them. Once one person's got it, somebody sees it, they go out and buy one, then it's a snowball effect, especially when you see how versatile they are and how easy they can make a job and how quick they can speed things up for you.
If I'm fitting a kitchen with this, it would come in handy for cutting access panels in the back of cabinets. If you need to cut out plasterboard for access, out plug sockets, you can cut the skirting straight down with it without taking it off the wall. You can slide a scribe panel in.
Where it really pays for itself is when I try to do some work, say under a bath. You can't get both arms in there because there's no space. You can't do it. With this, you can. To me, the most important thing is the quick release. It's so easy. Pull that in, take it off. There's no messing about with screws or anything else. You want to put it back in, hold it down, slide it in, release.
Cutting, sanding, scraping, and grout removal without the cord. Introducing the versatile new 18-volt lithium-ion cordless multi-tool. It's available as a kit or as a bare tool. The versatile new multi-tool delivers power, convenience, precision, and comfort for a variety of applications in a more compact size. The Makita-built motor delivers 6,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute with a 3.2 degree oscillation angle engineered for faster cutting. You'll get corded speed and power without the cord. The Makita multi-tool has a small diameter barrel grip and weighs only 4.5 pounds. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection computer controls technology that protects your battery and tool for optimum performance. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.
This is the new GOP 18V-28 StarLock Oscillating Multi-Tool from Bosch. The tool provides the next generation StarLock 3D tool accessory interface, which provides outstanding grip, better performance, and greater versatility, plus cordless convenience. The tool uses the full range of StarLock and StarlockPlus accessories. The brushless 4.0 amp EC motor with reinforced metal gearing delivers heavy-duty power every time. The 3D tool accessory interface creates a tight connection for best-in-class torque transfer. Accessories snap in place and release without you ever having to touch a hot blade. The 2.8 degree oscillating arc uses accessories efficiently and delivers excellent productivity. A convenient LED light illuminates dark work areas, while the tool's ergonomic design and small grip diameter make it comfortable to hold. This tool provides exceptional versatility for cutting many materials, including wood and chipboard, OSB, drywall, nails, metal pipe, and PVC. You can even flush cut with it. It can also be used for grinding, sanding, and scraping. Bosch offers an exceptionally wide array of oscillating blades, including 30 standard-duty StarLock blades and 5 heavy-duty StarlockPlus blades, all of which can be used with the GOP 18V-28. Bosch blade innovations include blades made from carbide for 30 times longer life than bimetal blades and a curved tech design which reduces vibration by 36% for longer life. Plus, these blades give you the cleanest, smoothest, and most precise cuts of any oscillating saw on the market. A variable speed dial lets you set the optimal speed for any task, from 8,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute. Check out the GOP 18V-28 StarLock Oscillating Multi-Tool from Bosch.
The rigid JobMax multi-tool is the most versatile tool head on the most versatile tool system. The oscillating action makes this an ideal cutting tool for wood, metal, drywall, PVC, grout, and those otherwise impossible cuts. The multi-tool is also perfect for detail sanding, concrete surfacing, and power scraping. Rigid offers a full range of accessories, and with the included universal adapter, the JobMax multi-tool accepts most popular multi-tool accessories. The JobMax multi-tool head is just one of many tool heads in the JobMax system, and it's backed for life with a lifetime service agreement. Free batteries, free parts, free service for life. Rigid, powerful, durable, professional.
Without the right tool, a tough job is just a tough job. Ordinary oscillating tools, too slow. Until now. Introducing the new Rockwell Sonicrafter F30 and F50. They're fast, as in twice as fast as the nearest competitor. Scratch that. There are no competitors. Sonicrafter is in a league all its own. Push those guys hard, they stop and cry. Push Sonicrafter fast and it asks for more. It's got a more powerful motor and constant speed control so it won't quit. Vibra-free technology for controlled cuts. Even toolless blade changes with Hyperlock. You'll cut, sand, and grind faster than ever before. More power means more versatility. Plus, Sonicrafter accepts every manufacturer's blades for a truly universal fit. The all-new Sonicrafter F-Series. Yeah, the F stands for fast. It's the fastest, most versatile oscillating tool you can buy. Faster is better. Get your Rockwell Sonicrafter F30 or F50 today.